Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Harsh, and welcome to another episode of Let's Talk by What After College. Today we are on our episode number 41, and today we have Mrs. Meenu Bhargava with us to share her thoughts on a topic. So, uh, can all you just type in the comment section from which city you are from, so that we can get an idea from where we are having our audience today. Also, all the people will join in that time. So just write down the name of your city in the comment section. Okay, okay. So we have Arshad from Jamshedpur. Okay, great. Okay, so people are typing. Let me just move on with my PPT. So let me just very quickly tell you about what is the vision of What After College is. So the vision of What After College is to eradicate unemployment from India by making India's youth job ready. So what after college? It is a very common question in the minds of the students. To answer this question, whataftercollege.com has created a platform called Let's Talk, where we invite industry dignitaries to share their experiences, their journey and skills to the students, so that our students can learn, grow, and they can counsel themselves from their experiences. As we all know that we schedule Let's Talk on every Saturday at 2 p.m. These are some of our previous speakers. Okay, so if you want to get a regular update from Let's Talk, you can either hit the bell icon on our YouTube page. Also, I'll share a link of WhatsApp group in the comment section. You can just join our WhatsApp group if you want regular updates from Let's Talk. Today's webinar is sponsored by What After College Workshop Series. In these workshop series, you will get trained by industry experts. You can also make a career roadmap for yourself. You will be working on various projects, and you will also get a participant certificate for these workshops. We conduct these workshops every weekend, and you can also get a discount for these workshops. How you can get the discount, that I will tell you at the end of the video. So this is the certificate that you will get after attending today's webinar. Okay, so today we have Mrs. Meenu Bhargava with us. She's a trainer and she has a 35 years of work experience in her field. She has trained more than 20,000 teachers and students in the last 8 years in more than 400 schools and colleges all over India. She did her PG diploma in educational and vocational guidance and counseling from NCERT Delhi in 1985. The best quality for which she has been appreciated is her desire to keep upgrading herself, passion, her dedication, and her creativity. So today she'll be talking about on a very important topic, that inside is more important than outside. So over to you, ma'am. You can take the session from here.
Thank you, Harsh. And thank you, the platform of What After College. I'm really delighted to be here. And today our topic is inside is more important than outside. So, suppose somebody gives you a gift and it's a beautifully gift wrapper in which the gift is there. But on opening, you find there's no gift, or it is something very dirty. So, would you like the gift which is beautifully wrapped, but inside it has nothing? You will say no. So, more than outside, the inside matters. The pencil, if the lead is not there, the pencil will not work. Similarly, in our body is a mind. What is mind? Mind is inside the brain. Brain is a hardware which you can touch and feel and see. If with the, if the doctors, what they can show you the brain. But mind is something which is invisible, but it has thoughts and feelings. It is like something, container, that is the brain, and the content, that is the mind. Now, any external situations, whether talk of pandemic or any traffic jam, where do they impact? They impact inside, that is our mind. I remember one experience of my life. I was going to USA and I had to catch a flight from Kaushambi. I was going to airport, and on the way was unexpected rains and very, very heavy rains. Traffic jam on the Defense Colony flyover, underpass, the cars were immersed in it, and it was a situation totally uncertainty. I was not knowing when the cars will start moving, if I would be able to get my flight or not. Everything was uncertain. Now, this uncertainty created lot of fear in my mind and lot of restlessness, lot of irritation, anger. And what I started doing, I started blaming others. I thought, आज क्या भगवान को मेरे साथ आज ही का दिन मिला था इतनी बारिश का? ये गवर्नमेंट कुछ करती क्यों नहीं है? And I started calling airline, the airport people, and my relatives, asking them to do something so that I could catch the flight. Ultimately, I did make it, though I was late for the airport. But then they gave me the travel ticket for 2 days later. Now, what I want to convey here, this was a situation of uncertainty, the traffic jam, where I had no control over the situation. I was feeling very powerless. Similar situation has happened in the pandemic. We are totally uncertain. This guest came uninvited. Neither the students were prepared, nor the teachers were prepared, nor the students were prepared for it. And right now, we don't know when this guest is going to go away from our life. We also don't know when are the colleges going to open, when will we start our normal routines to, go to college, go to school, go to workplace, and enjoy with friends. We are totally uncertain. Now, this situation has created fear, a lot of fear in the minds of people. This mind, has the capability, the power to create something great and also something worst. So it can create horror movies in our mind. Some people, are very scared. They may get fired from their jobs. So the things, the feelings, the thoughts that are coming to their minds are, if I lose my job, how will my children feel I'll be able to pay? How will I pay my rent? Or what about the EMIs? Now, these things have not yet happened in reality. Only the mind is creating these thoughts. But having these thoughts, they are losing their confidence, they are losing their sleep, and so many other negative things are happening. It's like a traffic jam in their mind. So many thoughts, negative thoughts, one after another are coming and getting the mind stuck. So in such situations where our mind gets stuck, what should we do? जब आप परिस्थितियों को ना बदल सकें, तो मनोस्थिति को बदलना है. मैं सोचती रही परिस्थितियां बदल जाएं, परिस्थिति तो बदली नहीं, पर जब मैंने अपनी मनोस्थिति को बदला तो परिस्थिति बदल गई. तो दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. सोच बदलो, सितारे बदल जाएंगे, नजरें बदलो, नजराने बदल जाएंगे. तो हमें क्या बदलना है? We have to change our thoughts. We have to bring the right attitudes to give the right directions to our mind. So in this pandemic, how can we do that? The situation is not going to change. Even if we are tensed, even if we suffer from anxiety or become sad, but are the things going to change? No. The situation will remain the same. But who is going to suffer? I'm going to suffer. I will make my mind disturbed. And disturbed mind cannot see solutions. Only a calm mind can see solutions. Mind is like water. Mind is like water. When water is turbulent, you can't see anything. But when the water is calm, you see everything. Similarly, if your mind is at unease, it will not see solutions. But if your mind is calmed down, then it will see solutions. So, in pandemic, what have been people doing? People are getting their mind engaged because engaged mind is a controlled mind. So we can get ourselves engaged in the very creative activities. We have all been doing that. So many videos are coming up of people cooking new recipes and handicrafts. Some people are involved in music activities. Some are making videos, and so many online classes have started. So any adversity is also an opportunity. It's like a teacher who is teaching us so much. Happy Teachers Day today. Yeah. So, what has this pandemic and adversity taught us? The first thing it taught us to change, to adapt, because any progress is not possible unless we change. We all are adapting to this new normal. I also adapted it. I was not knowing how to do Zoom webinars. I was not knowing how to use MS Team or Google Meet or GeoMeet or Cisco WebEx. But now I have learned all. So I am grown now, I have progressed. So any opportunity, what you do in that, situation, it depends on you, how you see the situation and then how you respond it. Photographer, a good photographer, if is not having a good scene in front of him, what will he do? He will either change his lens or change his positions to make best of the scene. Similar thing we have to do. We have to see that now this situation is not in my control. So in this situation, I have to see the best I can do. So, what we are doing, we are learning, we are upskilling, we are reskilling ourselves. We are learning many, many new things. We are, going for many of the hobbies which we were not doing earlier. Now, in this pandemic, our priorities have changed. We are taking lot of care of our health. We are boosting our immunities by eating healthy diet. We are also exercising. We are also involved in yoga meditation to keep our mind calm. And if you're not involved, this is what you need to do. First, fix up a routine for yourself, because mind always likes structures. You will see that you are able to learn better when you organize something and give it to the mind to learn. But if you give something in a haphazard manner, the mind is not able to work. So give it some structure. Now, second thing, attitude of gratitude is very, very important. We are blessed with many things, but we don't value it because we don't value the things which we have got. Only when we start valuing when that thing is lost. Now, if I ask you how lucky you are, maybe you're not able to give me answer 6 or 7 points on how lucky you are. Can you give that? Can you write in your chat boxes how lucky you are? Any 6, 7 points that you may think of? I give you 2-3 minutes to write down if you have a paper pencil, or you can write here. Yeah? Okay. So, I can wait for 1 minute. So early morning, when we get up, what we have to do? We should not start our day with complaints. We should start our day with shukranas, that is thankfulness, being grateful to what we have got. शुक्रिया नहीं, शिकायतें नहीं, शुक्रिया कीजिए. शिकायतें नहीं, शुक्रिया कीजिए. जितना आपको मिला है, बहुत से लोगों को उतना भी नहीं मिला. So we have to see that we are very lucky because we have got one piece body. All our organs are working fine. If one of the organ we lose, then we come to know how valuable it was. We are all very educated. That's a big blessing. We are all having good families. That's a big blessing. We are having house to live in. We are getting all the facilities to take our education. How lucky we are. So, God has given us many reasons to smile, but we focus on those reasons which make us cry. So always remember, if there are 10 reasons to cry, there are 10,000 reasons for a smile. So focus there, what you have got, and it will give you mental strength. Now, what happens when you are mentally disturbed and how you become mentally disturbed? So overthinking causes jam in the mind. So negative thoughts, thinking negative again and again, same thoughts keep repeating. Same fear keeps feeding your mind and you are not able to get out of it. So what happens is you start losing your confidence, you start losing your sleep, you're not able to focus your energy in day-to-day activities which you had been doing earlier. You're not able to study, you're not able to work, you are not able to be productive, or you feel your energies are drained out. So in such situations, if you feel that yes, I'm not able to work as I was doing earlier my thoughts were not so negative, but now I'm not able to think positive, then you have to consult either a counselor or a psychologist or a psychiatrist. It's not that we don't suffer from anxiety, tension, stress, or sadness. Every one of us suffers from that, but that is momentary. That is not something permanent. That doesn't stay for long. Suppose somebody's death took place in my family. Now I'll be sad. Of course, it's a normal emotion. But for how long? Maybe 10 days, maybe 1 month, maybe 2 months. But then I'm able to also continue with my regular routines. I may be anxious. Little anxiety, little stress is always helpful because it prepares you to prepare for exam or any match, or you may talk of, meeting the deadlines in your work. It helps you. But when it crosses the threshold, when it disturbs your sleep, when it disturbs your eating habits, when it disturbs your energy, then it becomes a problem. What we do when we have a fracture in leg, or when we are having fever, or we are having some heart ailment, immediately our action is, let me go to the doctor and get the best treatment. But when it comes to mind issues, you're not ready to go to psychiatrist or a counselor. You think and your family member think they will be able to resolve the issue, and also you feel he's purposely doing it. Whereas the person's brain has come to in such shape that the person is doing certain things which he doesn't want to do it, but he's having no control on it. So at that time, you have to meet a counselor or a psychiatrist. Don't shame away with it. Don't let the problem get worsen. This is most important. Now, in pandemic, you know, what else you can do? So I told you one thing is attitude of gratitude, getting up early. Also, you can write a journal. Always make it a habit to write a journal. In that, you can write your pleasant and unpleasant experiences. Now, why I'm asking you to do that? Because when it's a challenging time, at that time you refer to the journal and you are able to see your moments of happiness, and it gives your mind a relaxed feeling that yes, I have got good days also. So if the sad day has come, after every sad day there is a glad day. Darkness doesn't remain forever. You know, morning happens every time. So any adversity comes will go away. Yes, it will take time. Pandemic, I'm not able to say when it will go away, but certainly vaccine will come or some solution will come. So patience. What does adversity teach us? Adversity teaches us lot of patience. Even if you talk of traffic jam, what we when we were not able to move, what were we doing? We were waiting patiently for things to change. So this is what is required in a situation like pandemic. We should also, you know, involve ourselves in reading good books or watching some inspirational videos, or we should 100% connect with the people, because this relaxes our mind. In pandemic, we have been doing this. You know, some friends whom I had not talked for last 20 years, but here I got connected to them because it gave me some mental vacation. Also, other than talking to your friends, you can, you know, now what has happened, we are very very lucky because this technology is there with us. Had this pandemic happened 10 years back, then we would not have been connected. How would we get our grocery supplies? You know, now we are doing everything online. We are so safe. We are so grateful to the people who are doing so much for us to keep us safe. So, gratitude and joy of giving. That is another thing we must all practice. You know, whatever we have to give that. You have good knowledge, share that knowledge with others. You get double what you give. You are having too much of wealth, share it with people and it will multiply. So, only thing you don't have to share, that is your, I mean, share the negative feeling, but not with everybody. Because whatever you feed, talk again and again, it gets multiplied. Positive affirmations are very, very necessary. You know, we all do self talk, like saying, I can do this, I can't do this. These words of ours have power. शब्दों के ना हाथ ना पांव, एक शब्द करे औषधि का काम, दूसरा करे घाव. Words have the power to hurt and to heal. So we have to say positive words to ourselves. I can do it. Once you say this, I can do it, it brings a tremendous change in your mindset. Say, I am fearless. I can fight with any situation of my life. Also, don't dwell in yesterday. You know, this mind of ours is like a pendulum. So, sometime it goes in yesterday, past, and sometimes it goes in future, but it doesn't remain in present. Learning positive thinking is a regular practice. Nobody can learn it in one day or 1 month. You know, water, it's like, wind flowing in the, so you can't control the wind. It's very difficult to control the wind. Similarly, it's not easy to control the mind, but it's a regular practice of positive affirmation. It's a regular practice of yoga, meditation, and thinking right. हमें स्कूल में बहुत कुछ सिखाया गया. We learned Shatkon, Trikon, Samkon, but what we were not taught is Drishtikon. And that is the most important thing. Outer beauty, if I talk of, outer beauty pleases the mind, but inner beauty captivates the heart. So, keeping your mind healthy, keep in that healthy thoughts. If you get one negative thought, replace it with 5 positive thoughts. This is what we have to do, and we can do that. It's only that we keep thinking only of the negative things. Any situation happens, try to find the positive in that. Keep your hope alive. What is that hope? Hope is the ability to see the ray of light even in the darkness. No? So you have to keep the hope alive. You have to keep always smiling, because this smile, this virtue, only you have been given. No animal can smile. You know that? No animal can smile. Only you can smile. This is like a gift from God. And you should never allow this gift to be snatched by anyone. Your negative thoughts should not snatch this gift from you. So, what I want is that even when I go from the world, I should leave some very positive impressions. And all of us should think in this direction. What have I come from? I should be doing something very meaningful in my life. I should lead my life with some purpose. I should not be wasting this life what I have got. Now, Harsh, do you want me to take some questions if the students are asking? Hello? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
If
I'm
you,
just waiting for Harsh. Yes, Harsh? Do you
yes,
have any question? You
uh,
want to ask question, or
ma'am,
you want me to continue?
ma'am, there is just some talk about count all your blessings. Ma'am, what is that about?
Okay. So count your blessings, as I was telling you that we are blessed with many things. See, we are one piece bodies. Some people are not born with one piece body. That's a big blessing. Some people don't have eyes, they are not able to see. Some people are not able to hear. Some people are not able to talk. And there are so many types of diseases that are sometimes fatal illnesses, sometimes very difficult illnesses people have. So that's a big blessing if you are having a healthy body. If you are educated, it's a big blessing, because many children here have not seen a book. If you are getting good food, that's a big blessing, because so many children in this world are not even getting one time meal. They go and try in from these rags and all these places to get something to eat. So we are really blessed. This is what we need to do. Don't complain, but try to think what all I have got which others have not got. यूं तो गम है बहुत जमाने में, यूं तो गम है बहुत जमाने में, हमारे गम तो बहुत ही कम है इस जमाने में. So even in pandemic, if I talk of, I'm not able to go out and play with my friends, or I'm not able to meet the people, but at least you are sitting with your family. The migrant workers, look at them, how disturbed they were when the lockdown took place. So you are still lucky. You are sitting at home, getting all things ordered from Amazon and Flipkart and so many other online platforms. You are lucky that you know to do all this. So count your blessings. Very important. Give to others. Very important. Be compassionate and kind. You know, do some good act. That act really helps. In some tough time, the God Himself, of course, cannot come, but He sends some messenger to help you out. And this only happens when you have done some good act. Any other question, Harsh?
Ma'am, if you have finished, so we can open the question and answer round for all the students, or you can finish your session.
Okay, so fine. So, very important things that I want to convey to you is that never shy away if you're not feeling good inside. You know, you are feeling a lot of disturbance. Either you can go to your friend, or you can go to your parents, or you can go to some counselor. But first, find out about that counselor. Nowadays, it's very easy. You can, search on Google, you can read the reviews, you can research, and then try to take help. But don't suffer in silence. So, yes, Harsh, now if you want, we can take some questions.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So, all those who have questions, all those who want to ask questions can just write their questions in the comment section and ma'am will
Yeah,
answer those questions.
sure.
Also, the What After College online workshop series, they are powered by IIT Kharagpur and Triple IT Allahabad. And this is the password for today's feedback form. So, all those who are filling today's feedback form, please note this password down. Also, ma'am, what are some of the activities that we can do to keep up a healthy mind?
Harsh, tell me what all you are doing in this pandemic. I would like to know from you.
Ma'am, I have been
What all new things you have learned?
Ma'am, I have learned something like some to use very new technologies. Also, I have learned. I have began
Okay.
to read. I began to read since the colleges were or not open, so there was a lot of free time. So I started reading, uh,
Yeah.
and I started playing some online games. So that are the new things that I started doing in the pandemic.
Yeah, very nice. So, something constructive that can be anything. Some people like to draw, so they have been doing lot of drawing. Some people like to cook, so they have been involved in cooking. Some people like to make puppets, so they have been doing that. Some people write articles like me. I have written lot many articles in this pandemic time. And some people like to write poems, so they have been doing that. So many hobbies, people have been pursuing in this pandemic times. Now, this mental health and relationships. Once you are mentally healthy, you have lot many friends. And when you are disturbed, you don't want to socialize with people. So on this, how to keep your mind relaxed, I love the poem of Guljar Ji, and I would like to say that for students. So it is, कुछ हंस के बोल दिया करो, कुछ हंस के बोल दिया करो, कुछ हंस के टाल दिया करो. यूं तो परेशानियां बहुत हैं, तुम्हें भी मुझे भी, पर कुछ फैसले वक्त पर डाल दिया करो. न जाने कल, न जाने कल हो ना हो, कल कोई हंसाने वाला मिले ना मिले, इसलिए ये हसरत आज ही निकाल दिया करो। समझौता करना सीखो, समझौता करना सीखो, क्योंकि किसी के आगे झुक जाना बेहतर है किसी रिश्ते को हमेशा हमेशा के लिए तोड़ देने से। समझौता करना सीखो, क्योंकि किसी के आगे झुक जाना बेहतर है किसी रिश्ते को हमेशा हमेशा के लिए तोड़ देने से। किसी के साथ हंसते हंसते, किसी के साथ हंसते हंसते उतने ही हक से रूठना भी आना चाहिए। अपनों की आंख का आंसू धीरे से पहुंचना भी आना चाहिए। रिश्तेदारी और दोस्ती, रिश्तेदारी और दोस्ती में कैसा मान अपमान, अपनों के दिलों में हमें रहना भी आना चाहिए। अपनों के दिलों में हमें रहना भी आना चाहिए। तो आई थिंक दिस इज द आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग। We don't have to compare ourselves with anybody. We don't have to be let down by others, you know, their negative thoughts. We have to be with the positive people. यहाँ मैं एक बड़ी अच्छी आपको हर्ष एक कहानी सुनाना चाहती हूँ।
Yes,
एक
ma'am.
कौवे की सोच कैसे बदल गई, you know?
Okay.
एक कौवा जंगल में बड़ा खुश रहता था, लेकिन एक दिन उसकी मुलाकात एक हंस से हो गई। अब हंस को देख के कौवे ने सोचा, ये तो बड़ा साफ और सफेद है, मैं तो बड़ा काला हूं। तो गया हंस के पास, उसने जाके हंस से कहा, हंस हंस तुम तो बहुत सुंदर लगते हो, इतने साफ और सफेद हो, तुम तो बहुत खुश होंगे। हंस ने कहा, नहीं मैं तो खुश नहीं हूं, क्योंकि मेरे से ज्यादा सुंदर तो तोता है। अब गया वो तोते के पास। तोते के दो रंग थे ना, एक लाल रंग की चोंच और हरे रंग की बॉडी। तो कौवे ने जाके कहा तोते से कि भाई हंस कहता है तुम तो बहुत खुश होंगे क्योंकि तुम्हारे पास तो दो दो रंग हैं। तो तोते ने कहा नहीं मैं तो खुश नहीं हूं, क्योंकि मोर तो बहुत रंग बिरंगा है, उसके पास तो बहुत सारे रंग है। अब कौवा गया मोर के पास, पहले तो उसे मोर मिला ही नहीं, ढूंढता रहा ढूंढता रहा ढूंढता रहा। अब क्या हुआ, वो जू में पहुंच गया ढूंढते ढूंढते। वहां देखा उसने कि मोर को देखने बहुत सारे लोग आए हुए थे, और कुछ लोग तो ना मोर के साथ सेल्फी खिंचा रहे थे, और कुछ लोग उसकी फोटो भी खींच रहे थे। तो जब सब चले गए, थोड़ी शांति हुई, तो वो गया मोर के पास और उसने कहा, मोर मोर तुम तो बहुत खुश होंगे। अब पता है मोर ने क्या जवाब दिया? तुम बताओ हर्ष, मोर ने क्या जवाब दिया?
मैम मोर भी खुश नहीं होगा, आई एम गेसिंग।
मोर भी खुश नहीं था। उसने कहा मैं तो बिल्कुल खुश नहीं हूं, क्योंकि मैं तो कैद में हूं, मैं अपनी मर्जी से कुछ कर ही नहीं सकता। उसने तोते से कहा, भाई तुम तो बड़े लकी हो, क्योंकि तुम तो मन मर्जी के हो, तुम्हें तो पूरी फ्रीडम है, यू कैन फ्लाई वेयरएवर यू वांट, यू कैन ईट व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू। अब कौवे को समझ में आया कि इस दृष्टिकोण से तो मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था। अब मोर ने उसकी सोच बदल दी और कौवा अपने रंग रूप को भूल गया, और कौवा इस बात से खुश हो गया कि हाँ भाई मैं तो एक आजाद पंछी हूँ। तो दिस इज व्हाट इज लाइफ, यू नो, इन लाइफ वेयर वी फोकस, दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। तो हमें जो भी मिला है वो बहुत मिला है, और उसके लिए हमें शुक्रिया करते रहना चाहिए।
Yes, ma'am. So we are having some questions now from our
Sure.
student. So ma'am, this is the first question.
Yeah. Ma'am, in these days, I'm worried about my career and about my future course of getting failure from some platform, and it seems that I'm in depression. So please tell me, what should I do? You know, either you kill the worry or the worry will kill you. So first, kill the worry. ये जो आप सोच रहे हो ना कि आपका करियर डिस्ट्रॉय हो रहा है, ऐसा हो नहीं रहा रियल में, ये सिर्फ आपके सोच। सो व्हाट यू कैन डू नाउ, try to upskill, learn something new. See, we are so blessed nowadays, so many YouTube videos are there, from so many online platforms are there. from where you can learn so much. So you will get a job, but you should develop some employability skills in yourself. Try to learn good communication, try to learn presentations, try to learn how to cope up with the stress, or how to be a creative thinker, how to be a critical thinker. You can learn so many things, and then try to see what are your hobbies, what are your strengths. देखो, everybody is special. you know एक बार क्या हुआ, जंगल में एग्जाम हो रहा था, तो बहुत सारे एनिमल्स आए हुए थे। शेर ने कहा, "ये तो आदमी तो बड़ा प्रोग्रेसिव है, चलो आज हम भी एग्जाम लेते हैं। सो 10 marks रनिंग, 10 marks फ्लाइंग, 10 marks क्लाइंबिंग द ट्री, एंड 10 marks swimming." So you know how many marks rabbit got in swimming? Rabbit got a big 0. How many marks fish got in climbing the tree? Fish got 0 in climbing the tree. But how many marks rabbit got in running? Rabbit got 10 out of 10. Fish 10 out of 10 in swimming. So each one of us is different, and each one of us thinks differently and has different talents. What we need to do is identify the talent and then start making it your strength, and then see what job you are fit for. Everybody is not fit to become a doctor or an engineer. If I talk of careers, there are more than 1 lakh career options available to students. But first, what you need to know is what is my interest, what is my personality, what are the special skills, aptitudes that I have, what is my goal, what I want to achieve in my life. You know, having no goal is like an envelope without an address. So, set some goals, and that will help you to get the direction. And of course, if you are feeling depressed, you can always, Harsh will be passing you my mail ID or my phone number. You can always get in touch with people like me who are counselors or clinical psychologist or psychiatrist. If the problem is too severe, which requires medication, in that case, you have to go to a psychiatrist. But if you are feeling little deviations in your behavior, then you can consult a counselor. Thank you for asking a question. The stigma around mental health is still existent. What steps can be done to reduce them? Many fear to get help on this for being judged. You have very rightly said. Now, people are not having the awareness that counselors are not just for problems. Counselors are there for preventions. Counselors are there to develop your personality. So, going to a counselor is not just that you are going to a counselor because you have a problem. You can go to counselor to take the advice on how to study effectively or how to memorize effectively or many, many such things. And don't worry about people. You do what is right. So if going to a counselor is going to help you, then go to a counselor. Because if today you are not taking this action, then tomorrow you will regret why I didn't go to a counselor on time. What we do today impacts our future. So today, if we are unhappy, tomorrow also we are going to be unhappy if we don't take the action on time. Take action. Yes. I have a question. How can I study myself? I mean, how can I study my mind? What is best in me? And on what part should I give more care and look? And how can I make myself focused on anything? So, what you have asked me, how can I study my mind. So, we call it introspection and reflection. Sit in silence, talk to yourself, close your eyes. Why we close our eyes? Because, whole day we are seeing the world, but now we need to go inside us and see ourselves, talk to yourself. You know, when it is a complete silence, you are able to talk with your inner mind. You know, it will tell you what to do. Yeah. So meditation, it relaxes your nervous system and reflect. What I mean by reflection is what actions I'm doing. What are the plus of taking this action? What is the minus of taking this action? Suppose, I'm taking too much worry inside. Then what is happening? I'm hurting myself. Will the situation change? No, it is not changing. What is happening? I'm making myself suffer. My parents are also suffering because of me, because I'm not able to focus in my studies now. I'm not able to sleep well. My energy is lost. I'm not able to help my parents. So, who is the loser? I'm the loser. And with my particular things, I'm making others also suffer. So, take help and see what you can do. You have a conscious mind. You can see what action I'm making wrong. If you are not able to decide, then go to the counselor. He will talk to you. He will try to find out what wrong is going inside you and then give you some guidance, some counseling on how to help yourself. You know, so counselor's role is to help you to help yourself. Yes. How can we shade away the students' anxiety in this tough time? Sometimes the things are not in our control, but hope has to be kept alive. Remove the anxiety that you will not get anything. When one door closes, the window opens. Think, if God has closed that door, that means behind it, what was there was not of your use. एक नदी चल रही होती है और नदी के सामने एक पहाड़ आ जाता है, तो नदी क्या करती है? नदी एक डाइवर्शन ले लेती है. तो आपको लगता है कि ये एक पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन मैंने ले रखी है, इस डायरेक्शन में मेरे गोल्स अचीव नहीं हो रहे, तो आप डायरेक्शन चेंज कर देते हैं, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. आपको लगता है कि मेरे अंदर एंजाइटी है क्योंकि ये पेंडेमिक आ गया है और कल को सिचुएशन इम्प्रूव नहीं होंगी तो क्या होगा, मुझे जॉब नहीं मिलेगा, मैं कॉलेज नहीं जा पाऊंगा. लीव असाइड ऑल दिस. There are many people who are thinking in this direction for students. And believe me, resources these days are in abundance. You can read ebooks, you can go to digital platforms, you can get so much knowledge. Just keep upgrading yourself. This is the best time to upgrade, and don't see too much news, because when you see too much news, then that creates negative impact, horror movies in your mind. So one time news is okay, twice is also okay, but not the whole time. You should be watching news. How many people are now having pandemic, how many are active cases and what not. Don't, because आपने देख भी लिया तो कुछ चेंज होने वाला नहीं है. So you start engaging your mind in something creative, because engaged mind is a controlled mind. Don't don't let your mind be free, because ये जब माइंड फ्री हो जाता है तो बहुत नेगेटिव सोचने लगता है, और इसको फिर पॉजिटिव करने के लिए आपको एफर्ट्स लगाने पड़ते हैं. सो डोंट बी इन द कंपनी ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, read books, do some activity, but don't leave this mind empty doing nothing. No, don't do that. Yes. Developing inside is better than outside. Is it enough? I didn't say, you should not be developing outside, but what I mean to say is outer beauty with age can go, but mind and heart, they will remain the same. Outer beauty, I can improve. How? I can dress up well, I can do my makeup, I can do plastic surgery if something goes wrong, but inner beauty is more important. So work on both. You can dress up well because personality makes a lot of difference, but personality is also your inner side. That is why I'm saying keep your thoughts positive. See the heart of a child. It's so beautiful. He has got so positive thoughts inside, no feelings of jealousy or hatred. So what happens? Child is very active, full of energy. Why? Because his mind is balanced. His mind is not having so much worries. So similarly, if you keep your mind calm and balanced, then you will have more beauty, because outer beauty only pleases the eyes, but inner beauty captivates the heart of many, many people. So also develop that insight. Yes. Any other question? How can we stay away from depression if we are worried for our career due to coronavirus? Our studies was low. Yeah, Shweta. So I don't know which class you are studying in. Can you tell me which class you are in? Yes. Shweta, what I can tell you is we are in the 21st century. And this is one century where, mugging up the facts doesn't work. बिकॉज गूगल बाबा जिंदाबाद. गूगल के पास सारी इंफॉर्मेशन है. आप किसी भी क्वेश्चन को पूछिए, गूगल विल आंसर यू. But in 21st century, what is required is that we need to become creative thinker and critical thinker and the problem solver. So try to develop these things. You are pursuing BTech, very good. Along with BTech, add some value by doing some small maybe online courses. Like these days, if I'm not upgrading myself, then we say ki illiterates of this century are not the ones who cannot read and write. Illiterates are the ones who are not learning, unlearning, and relearning. So this is the time, even in this pandemic, we have to keep learning new things which are relevant for today's time. Today is the time for artificial intelligence, machine learning, robots. So many intelligence courses are there, and many more, skills which you need to learn in today's time. 4 C's have become very important in 21st century. So one is communication, other one is collaboration, that is good teamwork, one is creative thinking, and the critical thinking. So you need to upgrade yourself with other skills, and studies will be taken care. Don't worry. Keep upgrading, keep reading. Computer is there with you. Also start watching YouTube videos, the inspirational videos of people. Start reading good biographies of people. Everything is available. Read good stories. Do that way, and the time will come. वो कुछ कहते हैं ना कि मतलब समय पे ही होती हैं चीजें. आप लाख कोशिश करो, कई बार वो चीज आप ठीक नहीं कर पाते. तो कहते हैं ना, वो कैरी से आम भी समय पे ही बनेगा. सो राइट टाइम विल कम. कीप दैट होप अलाइव. इट विल कम and things will change. Yeah. Wait for the time. Have patience.
Ma'am, let's just end the question and answer round here. And it was a
Sure.
really informative and amazing session today.
Thank
So
you.
let's just ask everyone, how did they like the session today?
Sure.
Okay, so just in the comment section, please write it down. How was the session for you today? so we can get a feedback. And ma'am, this is a very small gesture from Let's Talk for coming for the webinar. It was a
Thank
really
you.
nice session, and we all
Thank
learned
you.
a lot. And I think we all learned how to control our anxieties and what to do when we are feeling anxious. So this is a very small gesture. This is a certificate of recognition for you. Thank you so much,
Sure.
ma'am.
Thank you, Harsh. Thank you for inviting me on your platform, and thank you all the students for being lovely audience. Thank you.
Ma'am, we are having very positive feedbacks. Very informative session. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Awesome. Good. We are having so many positive feedbacks.
Oh, great. Nice.
Uh,
Thank
ma'am,
you.
people are also wishing you happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you.
Uh, so, ma'am, if you want, you can leave the session now. I'll take it away from you.
Okay. I can leave the session. Huh? Thank you. Bye, Harsh.
Thank you so
And
much,
best
ma'am, for
of
coming.
luck. Stay healthy. Stay safe.
Thank you, ma'am. Uh, okay, everyone. So, I hope you just liked the session, and I hope the session helped you. So, let me just very quickly tell you about what After College offering you. So, what After College is offering you a mentor reality online training program. These programs are like summer training programs, and we have already conducted these programs for more than 500 students. So, if you want to learn and you want to utilize your time, and you are interested in these programs, just call on the number below, or you can just go to our website also and check it out. Also, we are offering you Microsoft recorded programs. These programs are Microsoft recorded programs, and you will also get a Microsoft certificate after you finish these programs. So, if you are interested in these, call on the number below. Also, like I told you, we are also conducting What After College online workshop series. We conduct these workshop series every weekend, and these are conducted in the field of artificial intelligence, ethical hacking, 3D printing, IoT, Android development, robotics, digital marketing, automobile, and IC engineering. So, if you are interested in these workshops and also want a 50% discount, so what you have to do is that you have to fill the feedback form, and then you will get the certificate for today's webinar. You have to share this certificate on your Instagram and LinkedIn account, or LinkedIn account. You have to tag What After College in that, and share us the link and the screenshot of your post on the email ID mentioned below. By doing this, I'll send you a coupon of 50% discount for these workshop series, and you can get these workshops at half of the price. So if you're interested in our What After College online workshop series, please fill the feedback form. And this is the certificate that you will get. Also, we are having a Let's Talk Campus Ambassador program. You will get a Campus Ambassador certificate. You can also build your network among industry leaders, and you can also build a professional LinkedIn profile of yours. So, if you are interested in our Campus Ambassador program, text me on the number below. So, now I'll be just sharing you the link of the feedback form. The feedback form is open for another 5 minutes. Please fill the feedback form if you want the certificate for today's webinar. The link of the feedback form has been shared. Please fill the feedback form to get the certificate.